Hi, my name is Abdullah, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm diving into the haunting history of the Titanic. A story of luxury, tragedy, and lessons learned. So sit back, listen closely, and if you enjoy this journey through time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In a world where luxury and technology reigned supreme, one ship was dubbed Unsinkable. But on that fateful night in April 1912, the Titanic met an iceberg, and history would never be the same. The Titanic, a marvel of modern engineering, was built to be the epitome of luxury. Gleaming chandeliers, opulent dining halls, and even a swimming pool. Passengers believed they were aboard a floating palace. But behind the glamour lay a dark secret. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic embarked on her maiden voyage from Southampton to New York. Excitement filled the air as the ship sailed through calm waters. Little did they know, disaster was lurking just below the surface. On April 14, as the sun set, the Titanic sailed through icy waters. The crew received iceberg warnings, but the ship's speed remained unchanged. At 11:40 p.m., the unsinkable ship collided with a massive iceberg. Panic ensued, and the truth began to unfold. This was not just an accident, it was a nightmare in the making. In those terrifying moments, chaos erupted. Lifeboats were launched, but there weren't enough for everyone. Passengers fought for survival, while others were left to face the frigid waters of the Atlantic. A haunting question loomed. Would help arrive in time? In the icy darkness of the ocean, over 1,500 souls were lost that night. The Titanic disaster not only changed maritime laws forever, but also left a scar on the collective memory of humanity. The tragedy taught us that even the mightiest can fall. As we remember the Titanic, let us honor the lives lost and the lessons learned. The ship may have sunk, but its story will forever haunt our hearts and minds. So next time you hear the name Titanic, remember, it's more than just a ship. It's a haunting reminder of the fragility of life.